Alright, here we are with Yo.
So, this is our fire suppression unit. Pretty simple design. So, we will fire this guy up and we will run it and see what we can do. As you can see, we can make stuff really wet. It's about 2 minutes of firefighting with a 50-gallon tank. So there you have it. This is Johannes here, BENCO Products in T. And this is our 50-gallon fire suppression unit. This customer wanted a 50-gallon tank. We're doing a lot of rolling hills. So we're trying to keep the weight down, less top heavy. We want it to be closer to the ground with it. Just trying to put lots of volume out. We're shooting for volume, making sure that we're putting a lot of water down. So the point of this is so we can keep the fire kind of cool until the actual fire truck does show up. So if we have side-by-sides running, just making sure that we keep some water down until the trucks do show up to actually make sure that the fire's getting put out. We're running a Honda, 4-horse Honda with a 16-gallon a minute, 65 PSI pump. Pretty simple unit, very simple. We're coming basically out of the tank straight into the pump, coming out of the pump to a return back to the tank, and if we screw our throttling valve down, that restricts the flow going back to the tank, and when we open up our fire nozzle, then it's easiest path of resistance is going straight to the fire nozzle. And then when we close it back up, instead of deadheading pressure, we're pushing it back to the tank so we can keep circulating the water and make sure that our seal in our pump stays nice and cool, so we're not cracking the ceramic seal. The other hose here is just 20 feet wind up on a fire nozzle, running really wet. 3 minutes to pump the tank empty. Yeah, so that would bring us to 16.5 gallons a minute. We can do a 50-gallon, we can do 100-gallon in this style, and then we'll have a low profile option that we can do 50, 80, or 100-gallon. We're still gonna run gas motor all the time. The other option would be electric, and we're just not getting enough flow through electric pumps. The frame is 48 by 42, so 48 deep, 42 wide.
That fits most four-wheelers?
It would fit, yeah. The only ones that I have seen that it don't fit in would be the K&Ms that are made for trail riding and stuff like that. They have a narrow box anyway, so you wouldn't want to be out with one of them either way. We're running fork holes, so we can make sure that it's easy to load on and off the side-by-side. Tie downs, we got D-ring holes in here. We do want to strap them X to X, so make sure that they can slide in and out of the unit. We're just trying to make sure that we can't be sliding around.